Hey folks, David here. So I got a Tyco Power Torque from RJ78 Productions. He said it doesn't run and he wasn't sure how to fix it. So he said, see if you can fix it. I said, all right. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, so we have a light and nothing's going on. So let's see what we can figure out. Normally I would try and take this motor out of here. What I'm going to do is it's easier if I take the wheels off the bottom first. And then I can get to the clip that holds it in. Okay, so everything looks okay there. These wheels look alright. They're just a little bit dirty, so I'll have to clean them up. But since the light works, it's getting some power, so it's conducting. So here's the motor in here, and this is interesting. Let's see. Yeah, that gear should spin freely, and it's kind of sticky. Yeah, that should spin a lot more free than that. All right. Let's take that gear out. We're gonna clean that. Clean in here. Okay, so we got that out of there. Oh, uh-oh. Well, there's our first problem. There's supposed to be a little pin right here that holds this gear on, and that is broken. And I don't know if I can fix that or not. Okay, so we still have the brushes and we still have the springs. I cleaned this up a little bit so I could see what's going on. And right here, this pin is broken. And I saw one time somebody tried to solder like a piece of a nail or something on there, and it kind of worked. The other camera died on me, so using this one, I drilled out the pin that was in there, and I got a piece of a nail here and cut that and epoxied it in. So still letting that dry. It's got to dry for another hour or two, and then I'll put it together. Okay, you think it'll run? Of course it does. All right, thank you very much, RJ from RJ78 Productions, and thank you very much for watching.